Hey there! Today, we're going to look at how to fix Roblox not launching, so let's get started. First, go to the bottom left of your screen and open the search bar. Type Add or Remove and select the top result. In the new window, search Roblox and uninstall all Roblox player entries. Confirm each uninstall. Next, return to the search bar, type CMD, and open the top result. In the command prompt, type cd appdata/local and press enter. Then type rmdir/sroblox. Press enter, type Y, and press enter again. After that, type exit to close the window. Now, open your browser and go to roblox.com. Sign in, choose any game, and click the play button. When the pop-up appears, select Download and install Roblox. Open the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions. Once installed, return to roblox.com, pick a game, and click Join. A new pop-up will appear. Tap Open Client, and Roblox will launch successfully. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.